Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Sit down and get ready for literacy class. Look what we're doing today. We're doing an activity from our favorite activity book, Mouse and Me, and this is number 1, page number 1. This is actually a double activity. So it's about tracing your toy box. Look, I'm sure everybody has one of these at the house. So what are you going to do? You're going to follow the numbers. Let's see. But for doing that correctly, you need to hold your pencil nicely or your marker and trace. So let's see. We start by number 1. Number 1 comes and then number 2. So from number 1 we go to number 2. We then find number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, 7. What comes after 7? 8, 9, and we go up to 10, and we drew our toy box. There you go. And then what do we do next? We color nicely inside. But also, before we color this nice toy box, we need to write our names. So actually, Mommy or Daddy, when we are at the school, normally Miss Joy does this. But since we are not at the school together, I'm going to do it here for you. And Mommy's going to do it there at the house for you. So I'm going to trace, let's say, a letter. Okay, so if it's unai, what letter is unai's? The first letter of your name, unai, is letter U. U, unai. So, if it's unai, Mommy traces your full name here because this is unai's toy box, okay? I'm just going to trace the letter U to make an example for all the kids. Trace, 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 trace. U. Very good. And who's the next one? Danny. Danny's letter is D. So I write letter D for Danny. But in the case of your house, Danny, Mommy write your full name in the top of the toy box, okay? Daniel. And then you guys with the pencil by yourselves need to trace very slowly and carefully. You will trace your names and then color the toy box, okay? And let's see. Mael. Mael starts with the letter M. So let's see. I'm gonna trace it for you, Mael. But Mommy or Daddy can just write your full name, trace it just like this one in little dots, so you can actually do it by yourself. Mael. Who is missing? Isabelina. Isabella starts with the I. So I, uppercase I. Here we go. That's for Isabella, and I just wrote one letter, the first letter of your name, but in your case, obviously, since it's your book, your mommy can write or trace little dots your full name, Isabella, and with the pencil, you will write it, Isabella. Okay, you will trace and trace each one of those letters. So we have Unai, Danny, Mael, Isabella. Who's missing? Herman. Herman's first letter is G. Letter G. So Miss Joy traces letter G. But in your house, Herman, your mom can do it, okay? Your full name, Herman. And you, with the pencil or anything you can choose to trace, you will trace those dotted lines and write your full name, okay? Just a practice. This is Unai, Dani, Mael, Isabella, Herman, and who is it missing? Yoon. Yoon is with the letter Y. So, letter Y. Dotted line. The first letter of Yoon's name is Y. And this is why Miss Joy wrote it here. But obviously, in your houses, your mom and daddies could write your full names, and you just go ahead and trace your full names, okay? Because this is your toy box. It has your name on it, and it's your book, and then you color nicely. So what do we do first? We find connecting the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Very good. And then mommy traces our name in dotted lines, and we have to trace it nicely and slowly with the pencil. If we want to erase, we erase and we try again until we make it, okay? And then we color nicely our toy box. And that will be page number 1. I hope you do it and I hope you have fun.